You can tell by the title of this video, the drum kit comes from MNM's free drum kit. You can go and support. So this is the organ, this VST. Of course, this VST is heavy, guys. So all the VSTs I used here are heavy, so they're going to be chewing a lot of my processor. So yeah, it sounds like this. Of course it sounds like that because the aim is Kwaito here. And then I also did this one. It's a whistle kind of vibe. Alright, still following the same notes, by the way. And then I did this one for bounce. Also did this one again for bounce. These VSTs that I'm playing right now, they're playing with effects. I'll show you the effects afterwards. This one just follows the first one, and if you look at it, it sounds like a lead. That is a trumpet. And then I played this piano. And the drums, I didn't go much. I did these percussions. Actually, let's just put in some little bit of swing. This is them here. I put just portal, you know, for the effects that you hear, like some squeaky sounds. It's a glitch preset. And then yeah, with the melody, here's the melody. These are the things that I did. Here's the layer of the 808. Just follows that all the way. So together they sound like this. Yeah, hopefully you learned something from this video. So leave a subscribe if you actually did. Leave a comment. Peace.